How to fix Facebook dating not showing. So you can head over here to your menu and you can see here all shortcuts that you have. So alternatively, you can actually know that your actual dating is on your shortcut, but if you can see it, you can click on the see more if it's actually there. If it's not there, that means that you are not qualified for Facebook dating yet because you're not yet 18 years old and you haven't established any kind of data that will provide that you're looking for a spouse, a boyfriend, or a girlfriend. So let's head over and check the date. Click on this gear icon, click on this meta account center, click on this personal details. You can see that my birthday is in 2000, which means that I'm actually 24 years old. So this actually entails that I am actually qualified for Facebook dating. Then you might be asking me why I don't have the Facebook dating. This means that I am not qualified for it yet because I'm not an active Facebook user yet. So that's how you fix Facebook dating not showing. Hope you help.